Hey, welcome everyone. Now we are going to study about the nuclear reactor. So, what is the nuclear reactor? Well, as the name clearly states for itself, we have a nucleus which is reactive in nature. So, the entire radiation that we have studied is all about that. It is a device in which nuclear or chain reaction is initiated, maintained, and controlled. So let me write it also so that you can get a better glimpse of it. So what a nuclear reactor do? It is a device. So let me write the device here. It is a device or something that we devise that starts, initiate, maintain, or propagate, and finally control the reaction. Like what actually happens in the reactors? Slow moving neutrons, the famous old story. The slow moving neutrons hit the nucleus of an atom which disturbs it. This is neutron. Let me write it neutron, and this one is nucleus. So when it hits, it gets break down into so many pieces, and further it is going to disturb another nucleuses that are its neighbor. So now these guys are also going to disturb their neighbors and then their neighbors and then their neighbors. So the chain reaction starts compounding. So when we control this compounding effect, it is reactor. And when we leave it uncontrolled, that become bomb. The nuclear bomb, which is the most dangerous one because potentially it releases so much of the heat and alpha, beta, gamma, and so many other kind of the radiations that destroy the human civilization of that area. It sometimes within just an estimate, it is that in the 3 kilometer radius people evaporate, literally they evaporate, nothing remains there. Well, that is potentially very, very, very dangerous. So I strictly oppose using nuclear bombs or their creations. Well, no one is going to listen to me, but still I'm going to teach you that how the things actually happen. Well, we are going to learn the very basics here. I'm not going to take you that far anyway. I know it is very difficult to make the nuclear reactor, and if I even tell you from my side all the possible circumstances, it will not going to work. But still, for my basis as a teacher, I'm not going to tell you those things, even if I know the slightest of it. So stick with me for the more detail about the fusion and fission in a nuclear reactor. Take care. God bless.